Hello children, welcome to class 9th maths. Dear children, already know that how to split the middle term in the class 8th standard. Today, once again I am going to explain how to splitting the middle term and also factorize the given polynomial by using factor theorem. So let us take the given polynomial p of x is equal to 6x squared plus 17x plus 5. So let us see the coefficient of x square is 6. The coefficient of x square is 6. Other than 1, so you have to multiply this 6 to last constant, that is 5. That is, you can take 6 into 5. So that is first coefficient of x square and this is the last term. So 6 into 5 is 30. So you have to find out the factors of 30. So factors of 30 is 1 into 30 and 2 into 15 and 3 into 10, and after this 4 is not a factor of 30, and 5 into 6, and as well as 6 into 5. So this is only the 30 into 1. This is the factors of 30. So here it is, which two number if you add or subtract you will get the middle number. So it is 17. Let us see, 1 plus 30 is not a 17. 30 minus 1 is not a 17. 10 plus 3 is not a 17. 10 minus 3 is not a 17. Like that, it is only the two numbers, that is 2 plus 15. So you have to replace in the place of 17, that is 2 and 15. So 6x square as it is, and last number is 5 as it is, and 17x. So you have to split the middle term, that is 17 is 2x plus 5x, that is 2x plus 15x. So 2x plus 15x is 17x. So making the group first 2 and then next 2. So here the common factor of 2 and 3, 6 is taking common factor 2, and here is also x, and here also x is taking common factor x. 2 into 3, 2 into 3 is 6, and x into x is x squared, then plus plus, and 2x here also taking common factor 2x is in the place of 2x is 1. So then first group is complete, and then plus plus, and here it is x, but it is not x, you cannot take the common factor x. So 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15, so you have to take the common factor 5, and here it is as it is 3x, because 5 into 3 is 15, and 5 into 3 is 15x, plus 5 1 is 5, so 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1. So then 3x plus 1 is common factor on both sides, and here the remaining is 2x, and here plus 5, so 2x plus 5. So here 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 5 are the factors of 6x square. Here 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 5 are the factors of p of x. So this is the fact, these two are the factors of p of x. Let us see by using the factor theorem. By using the factor theorem, see here it is 6x square plus 17x, p of x is equal to 6x squared plus 17x plus 5. So here it is, you can take the common factor of 6, because other than the 6, other than the 1 is taking common factor 1, and it is only x squared and 17x divided by x, 6 plus 5 divided by 6. So this is it equals to 6 into this is whole is p of x. Let us see, the last number is 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Here the factors of 5 is 1 into 1 and 5, only 1 and 5, and the factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Let us applying by the equals, that is 1 by 1, 1 by 2, like that. So here it is, the factors is already, you know that 3x plus 1 and 2x plus y. Let p of x is equal to, so 3x plus, it is x is equal to minus 1 divided by 3. So here it is, substitute the values of minus 1 by 3 in the given equation. It is, that is 6 into p of x is equal to, x square means minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 17 divided by 6 into value of x is minus 1 by 3 plus 5 divided by 6. It is minus into minus is plus, and 1 into 1 is 1, and 3 into 3 is 9, plus into minus is minus, and 17 into 1 is 17, 6 into 3 is 18 plus 5 divided by 6. And then here is a LCM of 9, 18 and 6. LCM of 9, 18 and 6. So let us see. 3 3 is a 9, 3 6 is a 18, and 3 2 is a, similarly 3 1 is a, 3 2 is a, and 2 is as usual. Next 1 2 1 is a, 2 1 is a, 2 1 is a. So 3 into 3 9, 9 2 is a 18. So LCM is 18. So multiply the LCM into 18 into 18. So into 18. So that is 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is a, that is 1 into 2 is 2 minus 18 18 cancel, here only 17 minus 17 plus 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 3 into 5 is 15. So this 2 plus 15 is, that is 17 minus 17 is equal to 0. That is p of minus 1 by 3 is 0. Therefore x of plus 1 by 3, x plus 1 by 3 is a factor of p of x, is a factor of p of x. Similarly, that is, what is the, it is plus 1 is here minus 1, and into 3 is divided by 3. Similarly, plus 5 is minus 5, and into 2 is divided by 2, like that. Let us see the next one is, similarly, that is, what is x is equal to minus 5 divided by 2 is also a factor of p of x. Therefore here it is taking 6, it is equal to 6 of p of x is, what is x minus into x means like that, x plus 1 by 3 into x plus 5 by 2, because it is in the form of, see, x minus a into x minus b, because here minus is plus, and it is also minus and minus is plus, like that. So then it is equal to 6 into 3x plus 1 divided by 3 into 2x plus 5 divided by 2. This is the, so here both are the factors of p of x. See, 3 into 2 6 is cancelled by 6, that is 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 5 is a factor of p of x. Let us see the another one question is example 14. Factorize y squared minus 5y plus 6 by using factor theorem, only the factor theorem. So here it is y square minus y 5y plus 6. So that is p of y, it is equal to y minus a into y minus b. This is the form of the factor theorem. So let us the factors of, see the factors of, what is the 6 is, factors of 6 is 1 2 and 3. So let us applying the values of first one is p of 1 is equal to y plus is 1 squared minus 5 into 1 plus 6 is equal to 1 squared minus 5 and 5 plus 6, that is 6 plus 1 is 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So if it is not equal to 0, so therefore 1 is not a factor. So therefore 1 is not a factor. Similarly, after the 1 is 2. Let us see p of 2 is equal to, that is 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 2 square means 4 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 6. Let us see here, plus 4 and plus 6 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Therefore, p of 2 is equal to 0. Similarly, the next one is 3. Let us see p of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. Similarly, 3 square means 9 and 5 3s are 15 plus 6. See, plus 9 and plus 6 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. So similarly, p of 3 is also 0. Therefore, what is the factors? 3, 2 and 3 are the both are factors of, so x, what is here, it is plus 1 is x minus 1 and here plus 3 is x minus 3 are the factors of p of x. X minus 1 and x minus 3 are the factors of p of 1, p of x. Sorry, here it is y minus 1 and y minus 3, because p of y, here it is y means that is y minus 1 and y minus 3. Value of a is, here it is a is equal to 2 and here it is b is equal to 3, like that. So value of a is 2. What is 2? Y minus 2 and y minus 3. Okay, it is clearly. I think I thought understand the problem. Next, let us see the next problem, question number 15. Let us see the next question. Here the last number is 120. The factors of 120, what is minus 120, is plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 8, because 7 is not divisible by 120, and similarly plus or minus 10 and plus or minus 12, plus or minus 15, plus or minus 20, plus or minus 24, plus or minus 30 and plus or minus 60. So these all the numbers are divided by 120. So are the multiples of 120. Let us see the by trial the number. What is p of 1? First one is p of 1. So plus 1. So let us see, x cube means 1 cube, minus 23 into x square means 1 square, plus 142 into x value is 1 and minus 120. And then let us see, 1 cube is 1, minus 23 into 1 square is 23, plus 142 into 1 is 142 and minus 120. So here it is minus 120 and minus 23. So it is, so plus 1 and 143, minus 23 minus 20, it is minus 143. So p of 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, what is the value of a is, therefore a is equal to 1. Then x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. This is the p of x. So first one, that is plus 1, is a factor of p of x. Let us see, next one is, now taking the, now see, x cube minus 23x squared plus 142x minus 122. According to the x minus 1, taking the, here it is x cube is as it is, and what is 23x square. So I am going to split 23x square is minus x square and minus 22x square, because minus 23 is sum of 22 and minus 1. So minus 1 and minus 22, that is minus 23. Similarly, as usual, 22, that is 22x, because 22x plus 120x, 22x plus 120x is 142. minus 120 is as it is. So I am going to split only 2. Minus 23, minus 22 and minus 1, minus plus 142, plus 22 and plus 120, like that. So x cube first group is, here it is the first group, this is the first group. Here the common factor is x square and here is also x square. Taking common factor x square, here it is 1x is remaining and x square going outside is minus 1 and minus here 22 and 22. Here the second group is 22 is common factor and x square. Here the x is taking common factor. Here also only x and minus into minus plus minus 1. Then plus 120 and 120 is common factor and x minus 1 is inside the bracket. So x minus 1 and x minus 1. So already know that x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial p of x, and the remaining is x squared, and here is minus 22x and here it is plus 120. So I am going to split the middle term of the given polynomial. Here 120 is the factors of 10 into 12. 10 12 is 120, and here it is both are minus is add minus to minus, both are minus is, so 12. This minus 10 and minus 12, so both are minus, add minus is minus 120. Multiplication of both numbers is 120, and the addition of 10 and 12 is 22. So x squared minus 10x minus 12x plus 120. So common factor is x squared into x minus 10 and minus 12 on the 12 tens, so 12 is common factor, x plus 10 and x plus 10 and here it is x squared minus 12. But you see only x, not x square, so only x minus 12, and so here it is x minus 1, x plus x minus 10 and x plus 10. What is here? It is minus, here it is minus, and it is also minus into minus is plus. So minus 10 and x minus 12, minus 10 and minus 10 and minus 12. So it is so are the factors of p of x is equal to x cube minus 23x squared plus 142x minus 120. So only let us say x minus 1, x minus 10 and x minus 12. These are the three are the factors of p of x.